believe that clowns are creepy. They're just freaky. Not just kidding. Just kidding. So we had a blast this weekend with this lady, and she had a nice dress, and she had a lot of activities for the kids. She had fun, and they danced, and even she made our husbands dance and model. And she will tell you a little bit more.
Okay. So all the dads were wearing shoes of their daughters, like me. So my dad was wearing my shoes, the wig, and in the purse, and then there's
Can you say that again? What?
Then all the dads put on a wig and a purse and some shoes, and the other dad wear high heels.
Okay, everyone, so this is it, and please subscribe to my page. I'll be uploading videos every week, and hope you have fun. See ya.